Here's a really cool feature known as color filter, and it's found on your Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. Okay, so this is with Android 14, One UI 6.0. In the not so distant future, when you want to go ahead and try it out yourself, use the quick panel access, and when you see that settings icon here, tap on that one time. This will open up like that here for you, and you'll tap on the search icon here. This is going to give you the option to search for a particular setting. So I'll go ahead and type in the words color and then filter, okay, filter, F-I-L-T-E-R, okay, and you're gonna see that. You'll tap on it one time, that's gonna take you here, okay, so it's this one right here, you'll go into that there. Now you can choose to turn it on from here and select the color that you want it to, okay, I'm not sure who's gonna really use this, but if you find this useful, then I'm happy for you, okay? And you can adjust the transparency of this thing here, okay? So bringing it to 10%, 20, but anything past like 50 is gonna get really dark, okay? Now, other than that, here you can also enable a shortcut access to access this at any given time, okay? You can have the floating icon or that thing that appears here, and you can also have it access with the volume controls here if you are using the navigation buttons, okay? So basically, you don't really need to go back to the settings. You can just tap on this icon here, that'll turn it off and then turn it on for you at any given time. Okay, now to remove the shortcut, you'll have to go back into the settings the same way I showed you earlier. And one, you'll need to disable the shortcut as well and turn off the color filter if you haven't done so yet. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like and sub.